Here's a simple high idle solenoid I threw together. It's just a air conditioner idle stop solenoid for like some Holley carburetor, and a bracket I had laying around onto that bolt. So it's not strong enough to push it to get it to idle up. None of them are that I'm aware of. But if you flip on the switch and crack the throttle, then it'll push out and it will hold. And it's holding like 1200 RPMs or so. Then you let go of the switch and it'll drop back down. This is what I was using before for high idle, was ether can stuck up against the dash and the throttle pedal. And if you didn't get it on there just right, when the engine warmed up a little bit and the pump timing changed, all of a sudden I'd rev up another 500 RPMs higher or so.